Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's comments during a rally in Banswara, Rajasthan, have ignited a fierce backlash from the opposition and sparked a debate on wealth distribution and communal politics. During the rally, PM Modi alleged that if the Congress were to come to power, they would distribute the country's wealth to those who have more children. This statement drew immediate criticism from various quarters, with opposition leaders accusing Modi of spreading lies and attempting to create divisions among communities. Rahul Gandhi, a prominent leader of the Congress party, condemned Modi's remarks, stating that the Prime Minister was trying to divert attention from pressing issues facing the country. He emphasized that the Congress manifesto did not contain any such promise regarding wealth distribution based on the number of children. The opposition's criticism extended beyond allegations of falsehood. Senior Congress leader Jairam Ramesh accused Modi of using venomous language and raised questions about the delay in conducting the census, which is crucial for understanding population dynamics and allocating resources fairly. Further condemnation came from MIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who accused Modi of targeting Muslims for political gain. Owaisi highlighted what he perceived as a pattern of Modi using anti-Muslim rhetoric to secure votes, while simultaneously benefiting wealthy individuals. Overall, Modi's remarks and the ensuing reactions have reignited debates surrounding communal politics and socio-economic policies, particularly in the context of the upcoming elections. The incident underscores the deep polarization within Indian politics and the challenges of addressing complex issues such as wealth distribution and social cohesion. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.